Hello, this is Chris from QuadShot with the next in a series of videos about OpenTickets Community Edition. In a previous video I showed you how to set up your first event using the basic settings that were available. In this video I'm going to show you some of the more advanced settings that you can use within the event in order to configure it exactly how you want. As you can see here, we're on the event screen, so I'm going to click the button to add a new event. The new event, like the previous ones, is going to be called Benefit Concert. Scrolling down the page, add a new event date. We'll make it for this Saturday. And again, I need to adjust the times to be 8 p.m. until 11 p.m. Add it to the calendar, scroll down and click the box here to adjust its settings. In the status field, you basically have three settings available. These are either pending review, draft, or published. If you want the event to actually be seen on the calendar by anybody who visits your site, you need to make this published. But you do have those other two settings that allow you to set events up and hide them from everybody until you're ready for them to actually be shown on your calendar. The next setting has possibly the most control within the event. What do we want to make the visibility? If the visibility is left to the default public, this means it will be seen on our calendar, assuming the status is published, and it is available for purchase to anybody who wants to buy tickets. If we use the second option, password protected, you can see immediately it's prompting us for a password. What this allows us to do is to make an event visible on our calendar, but as soon as somebody clicks on it, it prompts for a password before it shows the event and allows tickets to be bought. This would allow you to restrict the sale of tickets to a certain group of people that you could in advance send the password to. The third setting, hidden, basically will hide the event from our events calendar. It will not appear there. In order to buy tickets, someone would need to actually enter the URL of the specific event in their browser in order to bring up the event where they could then buy tickets. At the top of the page here, you can see that WordPress is suggesting that the permalink for this is going to be this string ending in benefit-concert. The problem with this is that you may want to hold several events during the year with the same name, Benefit Concert. So what OpenTickets does when you click the Publish button is it adds the date and start time of the concert or the event to that URL. And that is the URL you would need to give people if you wanted to make the event hidden and only available to those who actually knew the URL. The final setting is private. And if an event is private, the only way tickets can be bought for it is if a person is logged on to WordPress with an account on that particular site, and either an editor or an administrator. So it gives you an additional level of control. I'm going to leave it at public for the moment. As I've said previously, the publish date, which defaults to today's date when you first try to set it, allows you to create an event ready for selling in the future, but you can then decide when you want that event to appear publicly on your event calendar. The venue and event area we've gone through before, but we'll just pick again. They are Buckingham Palace, and the area within that I defined, the ballroom. Having set that, we now go and set the featured image for the event, set that in, and then publish that event. So hopefully you can see that by using the settings, particularly those made available within the visibility, you have a great deal of control as to when your event gets displayed available for sale, and once that has been done, exactly who can buy tickets for it.